Today we are going to have a concept on working of a computer. Let's proceed. A computer system works on a term called IPO cycle. Working of a computer. A computer cannot work on its own. It needs instructions to work. Let's see what is input process output or IPO cycle. IPO cycle is a system that consists of input, output and the steps required to change input into output. Let's know what are the components of a IPO cycle. Here you can see input we give to the computer system. It processes our input and then provides output. During processing, it needs the help of storage device like RAM. Components of IPO cycle. Let's see. The first component is input. Data and instructions provided by the user is known as input. For example, if you want to have a mathematical calculation, then the data provided by you with the help of keyboard, the numbers provided by you by using keyboard are input. Let's move to processing. Actions performed by CPU to calculate your input into output is processing. So the CPU now calculates your numbers you have given for calculation and then it provides a suitable output that is known as the processed information. Let's move further. IPO cycle, here you can see a complete description is given in the figure. In input, we use devices called keyboard, mouse, mic, camera. These are all input devices through which we can input our information, our data to the computer system. The processing unit called CPU, whose full form is Central Processing Unit, is divided into three parts. ALU, that is Arithmetic and Logic Unit, which is responsible for doing arithmetical and logical operations. Another part is Control Unit. And the third one is Register, which is used to store your temporary data in it. During the processing, it requires help of memory. So here you can see memory is there and the temporary memory RAM and the permanent memory is ROM. After processing, the data is displayed on the monitor as output. Here you can see our output device is monitor, speaker, printer. All these are output devices. Let's proceed further. One of our daily life example of IPO cycle is if you are using mango pulp, sugar and milk as input, then mixer grinder or juicer will act as a processing unit and the output you get will be a mango shake. Okay student, now I think that IPO cycle is very much clear to you all. IPO cycle is input process output cycle. Thank you everyone.